Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the SpareBank app something went wrong error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. A weak or unstable connection is one of the main causes of this error. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, temporary bugs can trigger this message, so this is how you can fix it. Then, restart your phone to clear system level issues that may be affecting the app's performance. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for SpareBank mobile app, and then make sure that it is updated to the latest version, as dates often fix bugs and errors. If you're trying to complete a transaction, wait a few minutes and try again. This error can also help due to temporary server or maintenance issues. If the problem continues, go ahead and reinstall the app to remove any corrupted data. That's how you fix the SpareBank one something went wrong error. Subscribe for more simple